The beef between Idonia and Massacre have been brewing for a while. In the latest saga, Governor Diablo did a diss song named Headless Burial on the Goldfinger rhythm aimed at Massacre, and Massacre did a diss song named Anyway on the same rhythm aimed at 4th Gen Idonia and the whole crew. Here are the samples of the two songs.
What a thing when me line up the crooks, them load up the gun, them kill about 3 of them pussy start fret. Same thing, feds them want fi call. Spain town bust them head. Don't ramp with the blood clots, swamp and no blank. Pussy a cap and leather. Pass me the Jaskella, Panjena, a Panjena, them a batty man jet.
Pussy your name is Caitlyn Jenner. 1 Jenner boy and 4 generation. Jones off, them a got dead enough. Tell them fi members a gunshot trip. What 90 a chop off them head enough. Tell them so all bad for them business, cause then you with start them club off shot. That thing, no more freakiness can't go on now. No more pussy can't suck.
This beef all started back when Massacre did a few diss songs aimed at Idonia back in 2014, 2015, followed by an interview where he claimed that Idonia was telling producers not to voice him. Here are samples of the diss songs and the interview.
Me say me now wait on the bus. Earth a run red, fish and bread. Smaddy get a rum and 9-9. Send any one of them, send anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Who want me war anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Send any one of them, send anybody. Want me war anybody.
Well on then, but from island from the island. Freestyle but me no textile and Samantha Jane sing about tight up skirt and you know say don't you go buy one.
So what big artists didn't want to see you shine?
Only part.
Like name one.
The Idonia them, they enough of them, man. Enough of them.
But what does Idonia care whether you shine or not?
No, well, it's not really a matter of caring about. They never really want to get that big break there. You understand? I mean, know that for sure.
Aren't you just being paranoid?
No, man. We're not paranoid, man. We're seeing. 100% seeing. Far from paranoid, but we know. You understand?
Tell me one thing Idonia did which was aimed at keeping you not realizing your potential.
Tell producer, don't voice me. Me here say, me a follow him style, me a live in him style, me a do this, me a do that. You understand?
But everybody borrows from other people. You borrowed from Idonia?
No, no time at all. I don't have the style from my boyfriend.
But if you borrowed from him, would that be a terrible thing?
No, that is it. But me not borrow nothing from him because I have nothing to lend.
Idonia did not really respond to Massacre, but in 2015 and 2016, some of Idonia's crew, 4th Gen, did a few diss songs aimed at Massacre. He did not respond, so many people didn't follow it up or did not even take notice. Here are samples of some of those diss songs.
So twisted and your name call. Wife who along so sugar cane tall. That make out a skull your brain all. 6 man walk with you, I be a pal. When you and your friend them a play hardball. That make pan the cloud them all float. Your boss can't beat me, my mind be so cold. People are ask for make them get promote. The girl them a taboo, them wine find your mouth. Kill them, we don't need police support. Dog, you no bad man, you a talkist.
Who boots your pussy fit tested and left your fever and become be cross like a pedestrian. When boy feel left the land, go get the 9X and the Luger. Me no fist fight like Lex Luger. Me a nightmare like Freddy Krueger. Then a slash up in your mouth on soda. When me body boy a Karuba. With the rifle me get from Aruba. Me head mad like Castro a Cuba. But me no pet people me 10 times cooler.
Yo, Governor, Jenna. Yo, Governor, Jenna. Governor, Jenna.
Yo, Jamie, break the matic like it's a Hummer van. Unholy like Mr. Sutherland. Real killer when me squeeze, chica gonna slam. Miller in a holly get a dinner ton of man. No escator coulda be older man. Live off him made planted with pound of yam. Yo, Jamie, I couldn't with them off here.
Let's take a listen to some songs, videos and freestyle samples from Massacre and Idonia so we can see the caliber of artists that we are dealing with.
No boy can't style we click. Fuck face chop out your tongue, them can't find him teeth. Chag one bad out a road, Highland Street. 9 we beat, boy we bleed, you find him deep. 6'6" shallow grape junk of flyer heat. Juju of the Glock, 17 to 21, high man beat. So boy family you cry and weep. Black suit flowers them buy your read.
From the dance every war the 6 pants for the car. Portmore me grow but a grand spend the bar. Case on like bass when they pan the guitar. Slam your face out of place we left man pan the dark. Canterbury no fuck rise along SLR. Burn pen black burn them chance to the war. And all who a call up me name, go and go tell me fans in the star. All them a talk with a blood clot killer. And me a got dead with my finger on the trigger.
Door knock, door fly. Pussy wall don't move on your dome fly. 4 guys dress up in a full block.
Now you watch a tough bargain. Me a wait, wanna go feet and come.
What you know about tech lights a gun off a boy and dig off the serial numb. Big gun for me belly and I take on the street and me no see police and bomb. All them anyway, inna them empty me gun them up all I say Jesus love. The pussy them a chat dark loud. One more want some boy a road me bust me gun inna them face.
Bust the cylinder, turn inna your bed. Trigger happy, so me keep one inna the head. Cut the fuckery from your this and you a go dead. Them find your body without the hand, without your head. Man bust the cylinder, things get dread. All 3, 5, 7 left you thinner than a thread. Run off your mouth inna your skin with fire lead. Somebody buy fish, somebody buy your bread. A 9-night. From your this and you a go dead.
Big up Firehouse Tower, Il Samakan. Big up Kid Lane man from Walcom. Big up Mackay Lane man and Pienland. Big up 100 Park Lane and Common. From a Whitehall you know a 12 lane man. Man in Seal Road a the big yard gang. Big up the whole of Grand Spen car round the surround. Hey, man just a done them in a style and fashion.
Boy, I feel afraid when we pass through. Put them up, confuse, pass through. Pace a all stale in a the mark too. Walk down, now screw, not no we no ask you. Pull this, pull that, don't spot. We go on the whole block, I tell the crooks your skull at. Make sure you have it every time because you love chat. Me pop it off, boom, somebody just jump. You just a try bad.
I did the yard side and wait on the pasta fryer. Chica squeeze, hit a kick. Chrome 40 Mr. Smith, anger in a hit rifle. With the fit a grip on me fingertip. 90 me bus, so come out with a ninja kick. Shot in a face, skin a rip, chin a chip. Back of the bullet and when the fire pin a lick. Dash a body in a pit, fling it in a shit. Crimps man, happy me so.
Boy, I feel afraid when we pass through. Put them up, confuse, pass through. Pace a all stale in a the mark too. Walk down, now screw, nothing me no ask you. Pull this, pull that, don't spot. We go on the whole block, I tell the crooks the skull at. Make sure you have it every time because you love chat. Me pop it off, boom, somebody must drop. You just a try bad, hey boy you lie bad.
Big tree shoot up some rifle with marker. Bad man no afraid and no crime stop caller. Bad man no bar with no boy for your talker. Bumbo hold dead from your distant brother. Shoot up your corner, dash with hot water. People a ball a axe with that call for. Jenna and Ram start fuck your fat daughter. And from a beer tough chat them a offer. Man just look at the piranha. Ding a man them. Look at the piranha.
The gun them turn on. Money you fi making at the road when me gone. Dog you fi tough and me did know from me born. Mackerel and rice and I never lucky charm. You watch how mama Sam me no pick up couple can. Eat you fi nothing you was so people gone. Thing I get loud now like a be my hand. Crocodile them a march and no king alarm. Spliff in a me mouth in is in a pan. I care zero, be a hero in a me pocket.
This is a very credible beat, but I see it basically as Massacre by himself versus Idoni and his whole crew, Fort Jenna. They definitely have the advantage in number, but I must say that Massacre can go head to head with each of them individually. The truth of the matter is that Fort Jenna has some very good lyrical artists, Governor, Tanso, Jades, Nico Blast and more, but I'll have to give the advantage to Massacre against any one of those. Massacre against Idoni is a very tough task, but I again will say Massacre as he has more relevant songs in 2016. But I would respect anyone who says Idoni as it is very close. People, what do you really think about this clash? Who would you put your money on? Who you think is better, Massacre or Idoni? Let me know. Let me address some little channels that I see are having a little sissy fit lately by saying this. A lion never loses sleep over the opinions of a sheep. And if I was you, I would fear me too and be insecure of me also. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.